We have not vlogged in forever. Oh, we back today. Does everyone know
Am I filming you?
Okay, I'm Cal.
Oh, hi, Cal.
But I got prizes. These cost me $50 each. So you know, you really want to win, guys, because they're super expensive snow globes.
Is it net? And you net the dough.
No, you need the dough. you need the dough.
And you're an English major.
Nope. Almost there. Almost.
What is your criteria for that?
Okay, so you guys have basically only rearranged.
Bro, shut the fuck up. Art is a process, okay? Holy shit, bro.
I think we lied it.
Exactly, bro.
We're visionaries.
We're actually innovating. You see?
Yeah.
Everyone calls the innovators dumbasses until they actually innovate.
I'm surrounded by delinquents.
I'll make that the YouTube thumbnail. I'll get on the market.
What?
I'll make that the YouTube thumbnail.
Bro, bitch, we fail. We fail, we grow again. Fail, grow again, bro.
Why is there a tomato?
Wait, you want here?
Oh, did you have that already?
We deserve
Push it down.
Don't you see? Should we put this away?
The house that falls on Nessa.
Oh!
We should do the shoes. We should do the shoes. It is literally falling.
Shut the fuck up.
So they got it on one side.
Mr. Cow.
Are we allowed to use a microwave?
So what's the plan with this thing?
Melting it, squishing it together so I can like shape it.
Well, you're making an upside down house?
Yes, that was the whole plan, bro. That was the plan.
You could have just made a house
Shut
and
the
turned it
fuck
upside down. That
up.
would have been
Okay,
much
turn it upside down. Go. No. You don't get to fucking like reap the rewards with us, bro. You are one of our enemies.
You actually think Rafiki's on?
Wait, Rafiki, is he the monkey?
Yeah, the monkey. The baboon.
I think he's a good qualifier for Hear Me Out.
Oh, my boy Pumbaa. Yo.
Oh, is it working? Oh!
Sort of. Christmas tree.
Oh, wait, that
came out.
Okay, what is this?
Stop!
Yo, industry secrets, trade secrets, bro.
You question everything we do and then we innovate and you're like, oh, how'd you do that, bro? Shut the fuck up, bro. Holy shit, is that sort of thing, bro? Holy shit.
Strip are so weird.
Also, we forgot to take something out of the house.
Yes.
Oh, the tomato!
We forgot to take it out.
And it's stuck in there now?
Yeah. Wait, is that our
Shut
cardboard
the
box?
fuck
That's
up.
our
No,
cardboard
it's
box.
not.
Right there,
It's
Holly.
not yours, bro. Yours is right there.
You said you would be impressed if we integrated the house, the box.
Wait, that's
So we're integrating the box.
They're using the actual cover box. Did you not realize that?
Oh no.
So those are supposed to be the
They were
shoes?
down.
Yeah, I was. Listen, Nessa? Nessa?
She had it coming for her.
Nessa? Nessa?
She's dead.
Nessa?
What the fuck is happening?
Nessa? It's pretty good, isn't it?
That does actually look pretty good.
Okay. I told you it looked really nice. Look at it.
You got a lot. We're finished. Hands up. Hands up. Time. Well, I'm so proud of myself.
Wait, I want to wash my hands.
What about Todd, bro?
This is our humble abode. As you can see from the front, we chose to add in a few popular characters from Minecraft. We have a snow golem, a zombie, a slime, a creeper, and of course you can't have Christmas without a Christmas tree.
And then in the back, which is just like a little lonesome
I'll go.
Santa hat, like right here, along with like some snow, because it snowed, as you can see. There's like a lot of frosting everywhere. Even though the sides, you know, we just have our little doorknobs, the party is on the roof because I thought it should be super colorful. And there is somebody living inside the house as well.
That's the core center of the house.
We can't lift it because we're scared it's gonna break.
Alright, congratulations.
We wanted to do like, what's it called? Like color sequences. Started this up because it's pride. And these are the ruby slippers. Nessa, as you can see. N-E-S-S-A.
Because the house fell on.
Because the house fell in Nessa. Sorry, spoiler alert. We added an extra addition. These are Elphaba slippers. So when she dies, she gets buried with her sister. Such a beautiful story. You know,
I
copyright.
like your wreath.
Thank you.
It was Roberta's idea.
Very
Yeah.
cool. It's really cool. Very clever.
last and least.
It's a story not just about gingerbread and ginger man. It's about loss. It's about failure. It's about growth. It's about success. And it's about innovation. Upside down house.
Everyone was laughing. People were throwing projectiles
It was falling over.
Yeah,
I mean,
it
it
was
looked like
falling over.
nothing anymore.
They were
Exactly.
supportive candy.
Turn as soon
See how they want credit when they see the success.
As soon as we
Yeah.
oh, I knew that guy.
I'm literally
Look,
complimenting them.
Yeah.
It's only
Shit.
offensive
Oh my
because you
gosh.
think yours is ugly.
You were shitting on
Oh! So what did you end up doing to finally have the support system?
Exactly. My friend Todd here. My friend Todd here. He was like, what if we just try one? So we got our last like 5 million. We got another loan from the bank. Our last 5 mil. Invested it into single column gummies. And here it is.
See that?
Here it is. Support.
Held. So this is not a backyard. This is actually commentary,
Yeah.
right?
Oh.
It's
So
actually it's a balcony.
Yeah, it's actually a balcony.
Commentary on a balcony?
It's commentary on social.
top class?
On class structure.
Bottom class.
Notice how the bottom floors of the house are now at the top.
Bottom class goes to the top class goes to the bottom. That's why it's a balcony. That's why it's a balcony.
Subverting the social-political structure.
Exactly.
Congratulations, guys. You actually pulled it off.
Like, it was a good game. It was a good game. Good game. Fuck you, Ken.
Oh my.
I'll give you the pros and cons of everyone's houses. We'll start here. Obviously, pro, you pulled it off. Con, it's really messy. You know, the walls have too much unneeded frosting. It looks like Frosty the Snowman died on your house.
Look at ours. Story.
Look at this.
Story. Right there.
Wait, the
Look at
cameraman
Story.
is not neutral.
Story.
But I appreciate the social commentary. I think it's a very poignant art piece. It's like a movie that has a really good point, but isn't always like very clean. You know. And we have Bruno and Fabs. Conversely, it's almost like the opposite of this house. You know? It's very put together, very composed. The walls are a little bare. I feel like there could have been. It's almost too bare. I feel like it verged too far on the other side of the spectrum, where like there's a lot going on the roof, but not necessarily a lot going around the sides. But like I said, love the mobs, love the theme, and you are the only house that has actually something inside. So, you know, there is something for once people eat this house.
We also have something inside. Alphabet and Nessa.
Okay, so finally, this house, it's got a lot of personality.
Don't
In
you
a
have
good
the
way.
handwriting? Don't you have the handwriting?
Yeah, no, that's what I'm saying. That's like it's very. You can tell people made this with love.
Yes.
Put a lot of love into this. I also worry that you guys didn't like ration your candy enough because you can see that you ran out of green. On
That
the
was a
green.
choice.
Oh, it was a choice.
Yeah.
Oh, explain it.
It was. You remember?
Congratulations.
Oh my shit. I'm fucking burning this
I
fucking.
have a balcony. You can jump out.
What?
You're just eating their house.
It tastes like ass.
Oh god.
You good?
Wait, what part did you eat?
The Christmas tree.
You can make it.